The fastest way to go from spending 8 hours a day working inside your business to having a business that works for you is to hire someone to replace you. For the past 3 years, I have been sourcing, training, and placing top operational talent in some of the fastest growing internet companies around. Some of them you likely know, which allows the business owner to fully remove themselves from that company and spend 8 hours a day doing nothing but focusing on scale. Look, it's really simple. If you find the right operational talent inside your company, within 2 weeks, you no longer have to run company meetings, hire or fire employees, put out fires, build out sales funnels, build out sales systems, build out marketing systems, build out client fulfillment systems, answer customer tickets, create automations, manage client fulfillment work, and pretty much everything else you're currently doing that's not moving the needle forward. Actually, if you're a lot like our clients, once you're removed from putting out fires and the day-to-day operations of your company, and you can focus on nothing but scale and growth, you could easily add an additional $1 million to $2 million to your bottom line with this hire alone. And the ironic part about that is that additional money will actually come from you working less on more productive, focused work instead of working more. So look, if you want to learn exactly where you can find this hidden gold mine of operational talent, how you can get them inside your business and ramped up in the next 2 weeks and fire yourself completely, I want to invite you to click the button down below this video right now to get access to a totally free, brand new training that I just put together. It's only 15 minutes long that walks you through those exact steps. And look, there is literally nothing for sale in this video. And by the end of it, you'll know where to find these people, how to identify the top 1% of them, and the exact training you should be giving them to remove yourself from your company in the next 2 weeks. This is the same training and systems that I've used to make over $5.5 million in the past few years. And I'm actually going to show you how you can download it into these operations people's brains. You'll learn the same systems that allow me to make $500,000 a month in cash or more while I'm snowboarding in Breckenridge, Colorado, snorkeling in Costa Rica, or sailing in Cabo San Lucas. To show you some examples of some of our clients who have watched this training and found this operational talent, here's Richard, who made about $1 million a few months after working with us. We were able to help Kevin hit his first $50,000 month. Morgan did about $1 million in 14 months. Lewis did $40,000 just 5 days after. Gustavo was able to generate $110,000 in less than 4 weeks while he was on vacation. And Justin added $300,000 to his bottom line in only 2 months. So not only have we done this for thousands of our clients, but I've done this exact same thing myself. And I want to invite you one more time to click the button down below and get access to this totally free training so you can learn where we're finding this operational talent and what we are training them on, so that they are able to remove our clients from their companies in less than 2 weeks guaranteed. This isn't some 2-hour-long webinar where I pitch you at the end. This is going to be nothing but value. And by the end of it, you'll know where to hire them and what to give them in order to fire yourself from your company so you can scale. I'll see you guys on the training.